We today, unequivocally and unambiguously, support the decision reached by the NWC and the sanction meted out to both Sheikh Gabam, the former national chairman of the SDP, and Ogbonna Okechukwu, the former national youth speaker, both of whom have done enormous and incalculable damage to the image of the party, SDP constitution and rules, and have sluggishly pursued ill-gotten wealth and at the expense of the well-being of the Social Democratic Party and our members. These dismissed charlatans have become a present and imminent danger to the Nigerian democratic process as a whole by giving the shameful impression to the public by their shameless action that Nigerians cannot trust any political party or party men. That unfortunate state of affairs is not reflective of the discipline or dedication and dutiful sacrifices of the general membership of our great political party, SDP. However, this matter must be taken to all relevant investigative authorities, such as the EFCC and the Nigerian police, for further investigation and to recover the fund embezzled by the former national chairman. As you all know, or maybe you have not read the SDP constitution, 75% of the embezzled fund, nearly ₦1 billion allegedly, belong to the state. As stipulated by our constitution, we need our money back and cannot forgo it. Otherwise, we may compel to take legal action to recover our fund from the expelled Sheikh Gabam. Well, I will say he is just a wounded dog or a wounded goat. Not a lion, goat. That is just parabolating. And that is why we, the forum chairmen, we have come together to institute and challenge and write a petition to EFCC, the Inspector General of Police, but through our NWC, to retrieve back our money, our state money.
Kwara State Chairman, SDP. I, by name Ahmed Atta, Kogi State SDP Partitioner.
Nasarawa State Chairman, SDP.
Chairman, before they ask any question, I want to say something. Before they ask anybody any question, please give me the mic. SDP, no mic here. Say this. Okay. Give me. There's need.
Punch newspaper. Sir, sorry, I want to find out the SDP state chairman's position on El-Rufai case. They also
Right. SDP. SDP.
Emma, serious you. Don't be too serious. Let's go. Wait.